everyone, welcome to my online geography class KSK Geography. Here I am back again with the map work. Previous video we have done mountains, plateau, plains and the third desert. Right here in this video we are going to discuss about 4 more features about the map work. Let's start with the water bodies. Right, according to 2023 syllabus you have to do only 5 major water bodies. 5 major water bodies you have to do for your 2023 exam. What are those water bodies? That is the Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat, Andaman Sea, Chilka Lake and Ula Lake. 2 lakes are there. You can see it here. 2 lakes, that is Chilka Lake and Ula Lake, and 3 major water bodies, that is the Gulf of Kutch, Gulf of Khambat and Andaman Sea. Here we'll do one by one how you have to mark those things. So first, Gulf of Kutch. You remember Gulf of Kutch, that is the western side, right? Western side. So how you will mark? Remember one thing, all the water bodies including the river you have to mark with the blue color. All the water bodies you need to mark with the blue color. So for water bodies you need to shade that area, right? So western part of India, that is the Gulf of Kutch. So Gulf of Kutch you need to mark it here. That it will be the shading. And this shading it need to be done, and that is Gulf of Kutch. Remember, you need to label it with capital letters. Don't forget to use capital letters, otherwise you will not get marks. It should be visible to everyone, right? That is Gulf of Kutch. Now next, Gulf of Khambat. Gulf of Khambat, that is just below. Here you can see the clue, Narmada and Tapi river. Where the Narmada and Tapi river join, those area, those curves you need to mark it. That is the Gulf of Khambat. So I am marking it here. Just observe it very carefully. So this one is the Gulf of Khambat, right? This one is Gulf of Khambat. Next, Andaman Sea. Andaman Sea is very easy. What? You know that where is the Andaman Islands are there. Remember, eastern side of Andaman Islands, you need to shade it. So this is the area you need to shade it. That is Andaman Sea, right? You need to shade it. You need to, that it will be the portion, and you need to shade it like this. Yes, that's it. That's you have to mark it. That is the Andaman Sea, right? So 3 major water bodies. First one, Gulf of Kutch. Next, Gulf of Khambat and the Andaman Sea, right? And next, as I said, you need to do the 2 lakes. That is the Chilka Lake and the Ula Lake. These 2 lakes are there in your syllabus for 2023. So let's start with the Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake, how you have to mark? Chilka Lake, it is there. We need to remember first of all, where is the Chilka Lake? What is the clue? Chilka Lake is there in the eastern side, eastern coastal side. That is the Chilka Lake, and here you can see the river. Which river is this one? That is Mahanadi. In the Mahanadi river, below the Mahanadi river, this portion you can see, right? This portion you can see that it will be Chilka Lake, right? Here you can see the Chilka Lake. Another important lake, that is the Ular Lake. Where is the Ular? Then Kashmir. You know, the Kashmir is famous for the Ular Lake, right? So this side, northern side, that is the Ular Lake. How you have to mark? Here you need to remember the river. Which river? The river is called, that is the Jhelum river. You can see here it is the Jhelum river, right? So this is the Jhelum river. Upper one is the Indus rivers, below one that is the Jhelum river. So above the Jhelum river you can see that curve is going up, right? You can see it here, that curve it is going up. Here you can see the curve it is going up like this, right? So above this curve you need to mark it. That is the Ular Lake, right? Ular Lake. So here we will go how we have to mark the Ular Lake. Just this portion, right? This portion you need to mark. That is the Ular Lake. That's it. These are the 5 major water bodies you need to mark for your 2023 syllabus. You need to practice this thing, and from there obviously definitely you will get 1 question, right? So let's go for the next. You have to mark the 2 passes according to 2023 syllabus. What are those? The Karakoram Pass and Nathula Pass. Pass means what? Pass means the gap, right? Gap in between the mountain. So 2 passes you need to mark. First one, the Karakoram Pass and Nathula Pass. But how will show the gap? You have to mark it like this. This it will be the symbol for pass, right? Here you can see there is a gap in between, right? So those are the pass. Now here Karakoram Pass. Karakoram Pass, you have done the Karakoram range, Karakoram mountain, above the Indus river. Above the Indus river, there is a Karakoram range, right? And in between that there will be Karakoram Pass. Now how you have to mark? Here you can see that is this portion is coming like that, right? This portion is coming like that Indian northern side, right? This portion where it is coming down little bit below this particular portion only, here you need to mark with the red color. So how will mark? You have to mark it like this, right? One is here, another one is here. There should be gap in between, and remember it will be little bit tilted. It will be not vertical, right? So that one, first one is the Karakoram Pass. Next one, that is the Nathula Pass. Where you have to mark? You have to remember those features, that boundary, right? Route boundary. Which are the boundaries? The countries: Nepal, India, and Bhutan. You know there is a Nepal, right? This one is the Nepal, you all know, right? This one is the Bhutan, and here you can see Indian part is going up and coming down like this, right? Indian part is going up and coming down like this. This side is the Nepal, this side is the Bhutan, and Nathula Pass, it will be in between, right? Again, as I said, it will be little bit tilted, curved. Here you need to mark it like this. So first one, that is the Karakoram Pass, and next one, that is the Nathula Pass. Only two pass you need to practice for your exam, right? So let's go for the another important features, that is the Tropic of Cancer and the standard meridian. According to your syllabus, one latitude and one longitude. Latitude, that is the Tropic of Cancer, and longitude, that is the standard meridian. Now let's start with the longitude, that is the standard meridian first. For standard meridian, what are the clues? It will be, that is the river, right? Here you can see Ganga river and Yamuna river, where the Ganga river and Yamuna river join with each other, right? So here you can see this one is the Ganga river, and this next, that is the Yamuna river, the tributary, that is the Yamuna river. So where these two rivers join, right? Where the two rivers join, here you can see the two rivers join in that particular point, right? So that is the Allahabad or Prayagraj. Again, when you will do the cities, important cities, that time also you need to get the same clue. One is this, another one, that is the Godavari river delta. So where is the Godavari river delta? Godavari river delta is here, right? What you have to do for the standard meridian, you need to just connect these two lines. These are the very important clue. What you have to do, you have to connect these two lines with the straight line. You can use the scale, and you have to join these two lines with the scale, and then if you join this two line with the scale, so it will come like this, and just you need to extend that line. And you will just observe, it will go just close to the Sri Lanka and close to the northern side, that is the Ladakh, right? So you have to join, extend that line, right? But remember, here after marking, you need to write standard meridian. Along with the standard meridian, you need to write that 82 degree 30 minute east, 82 degree 30 minute east, that you need to mention it here. Otherwise you will not get marks, right? Now next one, now you have to mark the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23.5 degree north, 23 degree 30 minute north. What will be the clue? How you have to mark those things, right? It passes almost through the center of our India, right? To the middle of our India. So how you have to mark? The clue, it will be there. Here you can see this point and the Gulf of Kutch you have done, right? So here this point, just put those important point first. One point is here, another point is here, and here this side you can see Damodar river and Subarnarekha river. So where those two rivers join, so this point you join, and then go straight, right? From this point, and this point, right? You can get those points, but remember, standard meridian, it will be not straight line. It will be little bit curved. Now just you need to join those two, those rivers, and remember one more thing, that is the river, that is Narmada river. Here you can see the Narmada river, right? So it will not touch the Narmada river, and you have to join there too. You have to come down little bit, but at the same time make sure it will not touch the Narmada river. So now let's start. Here, that's it. This is the Tropic of Cancer. As I said, along with the Tropic of Cancer line, you need to mention Tropic of Cancer, and don't forget to mention these things, 23 degree and 30 minute north. If you will not mention this thing, you will not get marks, right? So similarly, I'll come with more videos related to the map work, which will help you to get good marks. For that, subscribe the channel. I'll meet you soon. Thank you.